staff wants a space, but we don't notice. At least we pretend, 'cause nights like these we'll never forget. And going home now just doesn't make the list. On nights like these we make memories, holding each other up when we're down on our luck. It's laughing through the tears and raising our beers for many happy nights, not giving up the fight on nights like these.